Good morning, residents and employees. On behalf of the City of Opa-locka, myself, Mayor Matthew Pygott, along with Vice Mayor Chris Davis, Commissioner Shirlene Bass, Commissioner Alvin Burke, Commissioner Joseph Kelly, and our City Manager, Mr. John Pate, we would like to provide an update on what the city is doing in response to COVID-19 and guidance on precautions residents should take. Due to the recent developments across the country and Miami-Dade County declaration of a state of emergency, our city manager has also declared a state of emergency for the city of Opa-locka. This commission has recently enacted emergency protocols that will govern the city's response. These protocols give us the opportunity to swiftly respond to the latest events and use the powers of the government to be there for the people. While there are no known instances of COVID-19 within the city, we are taking the following precautions to limit the spread of the virus. First, all city events and special events for the month of March are canceled. This includes all adult, youth, and senior programs. All reservations of city facilities for the months of March and April will be rescheduled. We will not be granting any special events, permits, or reservations at the moment. We'll be following the guidance of Miami-Dade Public Schools when it comes to our after-school programs and spring break camp. At the moment, they will continue normal operations. We are focused our efforts on our most vulnerable residents, our seniors. The latest precautionary measures and hygiene measures have been disseminated to all major senior living facilities within the city of Opa-locka, and hotline numbers to the Florida Department of Health have been communicated. These same measures have been posted in all of our facilities, and we are preemptively stepping up the sanitation of all of our facilities. We're encouraging everyone to follow the Center for Disease Control, also known as the CDC, recommendations of social distancing, which means staying at home if you're sick and staying 6 feet away from anyone that may be sick, washing your hands frequently, covering your cough and sneezes with a tissue that is immediately trashed thereafter. If you believe you have been exposed to COVID-19, please call the Florida Department of Health at 305-324-2400. If you have a medical provider, call them. If traveling to a medical facility or office, call ahead. For information or questions about COVID-19 in Florida, please call the Florida Department of Health at 1-866-779-6121. It is important that you utilize these measures first before reaching out to the city emergency personnel. If during your preparations to stock up on essential items, you are aware of abnormally high prices, please contact the State Attorney General's price gouging hotline at 1-866-966-7226. We are in this together as a community, and we will deal with these problems as they come. We are hoping for the best, yet making sure that our community is fully prepared for whatever may come. This is an ongoing effort and a collaboration of all levels of government and service providers and you, the people. Make sure you follow our Facebook page and check the website for any latest updates. With that, I'll turn it over to our Chief of Police to detail more of our emergency procedures with our officers. Thank you.
Good morning. We'll follow up exactly with the mayor. I just want the citizens of our great city to understand that our primary concern is your safety and your security. Our law enforcement response with fire rescue on all of our sick and injured calls. Miami-Dade Fire Rescue will be our primary response. Our officers will respond, but we will let those professionals take care of our sick and injured residents. All our sworn personnel will be in uniform. Will give us more uniformed personnel on the road to include our investigation and our detectives. Everyone will be out on patrol during this time. All training has been canceled, so no one will be off during this time. We will be working to make sure that we get through this together. We're working also with the state of Florida, the Miami-Dade Emergency Operations Center, to be able to obtain more personal protection equipment for our officers so that we would have more gloves, more masks, anything that we need to protect our officers while they're out on the roadways protecting you. Our main concern here is safety and security. And also what we're asking is that you wash your hands more. This is with soap and water. The CDC put out something that said at least for 20 seconds. So wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Clean and disinfect your areas that's touched and your surfaces. This is include doorknobs in your homes, your vehicles, or whatever you may touch. Try to prevent yourselves from touching your eyes, your face, and your nose on multiple occasions. If you're sick, stay home from school or work and just stay home. If you feel ill, contact your medical professional to be checked out. Avoid any contact with anyone that's sick. We're asking our officers also to wear gloves. So we asked if you see an officer with gloves on, plastic gloves, please not be alarmed, but just know that he's there to protect yourself and him or herself. And we want everyone to be safe during this time. If you have any questions for the police department, our non-emergency number is 305-681-1033. And we will be there to assist you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you, Chief.
Yes, sir.
Residents, we're going to do this, and we're going to move forward in this crisis that we're currently dealing with right now. The city of Opa-locka is fully in support of you and putting out all the resources to ensure that our residents are protected and here. So thank you very much for taking a moment. Please make sure you follow our Facebook page and check the city website. Thank you.